Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Show like the arch.
I will. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you're good. I need something like that. How much you want me to slow down?
No, you're good. You can go slow if that car's not gonna go be right behind us. Yeah.
You're going awful fast, man.
I'm sorry. It's downhill. You have audio on that?
Mhm.
This is awesome. This was worth it.
This is awesome. I like it.
Can you send me the video? My one's on my phone.
Is it?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna get the other side on the way back, right?
Mhm.
I think it was worth it.
I want to say electric bill.
Oh, I bet it's a lot.
Imagine how long it takes to do all this.
Oh yeah, at least a couple months.
No, it's probably about a week.
No, probably about a couple weeks.
Well,
They probably
maybe.
start in the beginning.
Maybe if they had a
Whenever,
bunch of people
well, they open at the beginning of December, so I think they probably start in November, but
You gotta get the front of the breath in the way.
yeah,
Try to get the archways.
yeah.
You guys have a Merry Christmas.